Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sahuarita local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is recognized as a high-quality mover in Sahuarita, Arizona. Our dedicated teams assist residential, commercial, and specialty customers with long-distance and local moves. Planning a long-distance move can be somewhat stressful. Understanding what's important in all that paperwork from the moving company seems impossible. But 2 things are crucial to pay attention to: the estimate and the insurance. Long-distance moving estimates may be binding or non-binding. A binding estimate means that the price of the move won't change, even if the mover underestimated the shipment's weight. There are exceptions, like if you add things to the load or ask for more services. But a non-binding estimate might change, so it's harder to be sure what you are going to pay. Many customers prefer the binding estimate for this reason, and it's essential to know which kind you are comparing when choosing a mover. The choice of insurance coverage is also tricky. The price of your move includes a basic level of insurance at no charge, but the reimbursement for anything that gets lost or damaged is minimal and probably inadequate. Your estimate will offer you a more comprehensive coverage plan at an additional charge. Consider getting it for peace of mind and talk to your mover about limits and deductibles when you review the estimate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sahuarita moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.